Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to the CivilMix YouTube channel, your destination for all things architecture. Today, we've got something special for you. The opportunity to download the stunning Burj Al Arab Revit model. No frills, just pure architectural goodness. But before we get into it, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future downloads. Now let's dive in. On your screen is the impressive Burj Al Arab Revit model. This masterpiece captures the essence of the iconic sail-shaped hotel in intricate detail, and the best part, you can have it for yourself. No strings attached. To grab your copy, head over to the link in the description. It's that simple. By becoming a CivilMix Patreon member, you not only get the Burj Al Arab model, but also gain access to an exclusive collection of Revit models and families, all totaling over 10 GB. It's a designer's dream come true. No complicated steps, no hidden fees, just click the link, become a member, and unlock a world of architectural possibilities. We believe in making exceptional design accessible to everyone, and this is our way of sharing that vision with you. So, if you're ready to elevate your projects and add the Burj Al Arab to your portfolio, don't hesitate. Click that link in the description, become a CivilMix Patreon member, and let the creative journey begin. Now, let's wrap it up. Hit the like button, share this video with your fellow designers, and of course, subscribe for more exciting downloads. Until next time, happy designing.